everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes to us all the way from Israel. It has a great story. You're going to love it. I'm going to jump right in. This piece was actually part of an unboxing experience, and it was included in a package that was sent for ROI Community. ROI Community connects Jewish entrepreneurs around the globe, and this was a gift box that they wanted to send to their members as a thank you for all of their momentum and hard work during a difficult year throughout COVID. So this piece was kind of the thank you, the storytelling piece that kind of accompanied all of the goodies and things in the gift box. So this is a shaped snake fold, and I think you're really going to like it. It's got a layered die cut on the cover. And it says, just wanted to say, we are thinking of you. You've needed to think outside the box this past year. And while the pace of the world seems to have slowed, you've been moving forward, opening minds and hearts, and giving to others. Here is a box of ways to help you recalibrate and connect with ROIers around the globe. And as you're opening it, it's also revealing all these different things that are in the box. So each of these panels say, you know, bento box, socks, angel cards, laptop stickers. So it's kind of sharing all the different things that are in the box. And then there's also a little card at the end that has a special custom code for each recipient where they can go online and send a custom personalized postcard to another member from the group. So it's just got so many nice elements. This is die cut score, hand fold. These are on about an 80-pound cover. Paper engineering and creative direction, Ellie Kaplan Wildman. This was designed by Tommy and you and printed by Mayer Graph Printers in Tel Aviv. So just so well done. These were digitally printed. They did about 650 of them to go into 600 boxes. And just brilliant use of design, format, storytelling, you name it. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, shaped snake fold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.